This is the future of AI where you can create websites without even writing a single line of code using Google's Antigravity, which is an AI powered IDE. I'll show you how to install and set up Antigravity in your PC. Go to antigravity.google and you'll see the download button right on your screen. Click on the download button and select the download option according to your operating system and your architect. Click on the download button for the file to start downloading. After it's done downloading, you can run the exe, accept the agreement, click on the next button, and you can select your path for installation, or you can use the default path and click on the next button and then select the start menu folder for your installation and click on the next button again and click on the next button again and click on the install and wait for it to install your application. After it's done installing, you can click on the finish button to launch the application. Now for the setup, first click on this next button. Now it will ask you to choose the setup flow, which is how the layout of the application should look. You can either select the fresh or you could choose VS Code and it will import the layouts and settings from VS Code. I'll select the import VS Code and now I'll select the theme. This is the most important setting that lets us define the autonomy of the agent. There are 4 options. First is the agent driven development, which will give the whole power to agent and this will have the least amount of reviews from the user. Then the second one is agent assisted development, which will give agents sufficient power over the execution and reviews, but also there will user approval required from time to time. And the third one is the review driven development, where user approval will be required in each and every steps and each and every executions. Or you can customize the configuration by setting the terminal execution policy, review policy, and the JavaScript execution policy from here. I'll quickly tell what these means. The terminal execution policy controls how autonomously the agent executes terminal commands. Review policy determines when the agent gets human approval for tasks and code changes, and it has 3 options. And the JavaScript execution policy sets the permission for the agent to execute JavaScript codes, and you can change and control the scope of execution by selecting one of these options. It is advised to use the recommended development setting and click on the next button. Now for the key bindings, whether you want to use the normal one or the Vim ones, I'll just choose normal and click on next. And now I have to sign into my Google account. Lastly, I need to agree to the terms of use and I'm all set. This uses a similar interface as my VS Code as I selected the setting earlier. Now this is the chat where I can enter the prompt for website creation. I can select the model from here and also the conversation mode from here. Here I can find the files that the model creates for me, and I can also open Agent Manager, which will let me create multiple instances that run simultaneously. Also, there are other options like Playground where you can test and try different features. Lastly, you can change this layout from the toolbar here and that's how you can install Google Antigravity onto your PC.